We have kept hearing about the promise of science and technology, about the eventual eradication of poverty and hunger in the whole world. When will this truly happen?
Science and technology is all about manipulating what exists in nature in order to make it amenable to the temporary needs of human beings. So, yes, it is definitely possible that this capability can come to be at some point. It is possible. What is really required, though, is not just that. What is required is the readiness of the people with access to this capability to make it available for people at large. That is one point. The second point for this to actually be reality is that wisdom to understand exactly what is truly required needs to exist. Given a choice, a human being would ideally simply lie down, be idle, and just have everything catered to them, which ironically will mean that there will be a deterioration of health. In contrast, there would be others who would want to be active all the time, and if that is what is going to be holistically meaningful for that human being to be, healthy and sustainably healthy and happy, then that would work. And if that were not to be the case, suppose they go overboard, suppose they keep uh, you know moving further and further ahead in the quest for adventure, now that is not necessarily going to result in sustainable health. You might probably be in a position, maybe you get into something that feels adventurous to you, you injure yourself, then you get okay, and then you get into the next cycle and so on. Those possibilities are there. So the point is, thinking that there is one particular panacea is not going to work either. So this concept of Satya Yug or Ram Rajya, it exists in popular cultural imagination, but the reality is much more complex than that. So, when will it be true? When everything just comes together. And will it remain true in a sustainable manner? Probably never.